Best easy quick baked salmon recipe. 6 finely chopped garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and zest, 3/4 teaspoons of each as shown, salt as per taste, and 2 tablespoons olive oil and 4 salmon fillets. Mix the shown ingredients all together. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and put tinfoil on the tray. Then pour and place the mixture on the salmon. Then cover it and wrap it with a second layer of tinfoil, and then put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Comment down below if you want me to make anything, and I'll try my best depending on what it is. Check out my Instagram and give me a follow down below. Check out the other videos on the channel and my other channels. Get ready for more videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.